out. That's good.
Well, we got our first trail anyway, as you can see. We can now get to the street and our car.
Enough already, enough. See, we've been working for the past hour and a half, moving this gift from heaven. Okay.
Okay. Job done, or at least the first part of the job. Hopefully, we can get the car in, yes.
Tomorrow we have to start doing some additional work, but this at least gets us in the garage. Okay, come here for yourself.
This is our sidewalk.
This is our sidewalk. We did it. We did it. We did it. Okay.